In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a background color behind text in FigJam so you can make notes, labels, and important information stand out more clearly. Start by opening your FigJam board and adding a text element to the canvas. Select the text you want to highlight with a background color. Since FigJam text doesn't have a direct text background color option, the easiest method is to place a shape behind the text. Click the Shape tool from the toolbar and add a rectangle or rounded rectangle to your canvas. Resize the shape so it fits behind your text, creating the appearance of a colored text background. With the shape selected, use the Fill Color option in the toolbar to choose your preferred background color. Move the shape behind the text by right-clicking the shape and selecting Send to Back. You can then adjust the text color to improve contrast and readability against the background. For quick labels and notes, you can also use sticky notes in FigJam, which include built-in background colors that can be customized from the toolbar. Experiment with different colors to organize information, highlight important content, or create visual categories on your FigJam board. And that's it. You've successfully added a background color behind text in FigJam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.